Good evening from the famed garden route in South Africa. If you're new to the channel, my name is Snell and I work as a travel video producer mostly based out of Europe. This is my job, this is what I get paid for, and these are my top 5 go-to B-roll compositions in under 5 minutes. Let's go. All the B-roll that we're going to film in this video is shot at 120 FPS with a gimbal. However, if you don't have a gimbal or you don't have a camera that can go up to 120 FPS, you can still do a lot of these compositions freehand or at 90 frames per second or even 60 frames per second and slow it down in post-processing. So our first composition is a POI or point of interest, and this is our lovely subject this evening, Nelly Winter.
Hello.
And the idea with POI is to pick your subject and move slowly around your subject in one direction, and that is the first composition. Let's do it.
Wow, I really love that point of interest. You really can't go wrong with that one.
It's such a cool composition. That is really good. Now let's jump into number 2. This is another simple composition where the subject is moving in one direction while you, the cameraman, move in the other direction. Next composition is a tilt reveal while moving forward, which looks amazing. You can also do it with a drone, but if you don't have a drone, I'll show you right now how you can do that with your camera.
Composition here is the manual and tap focus, which is especially easy with my Canon M50, and we have used that one for this video. Look, it's literally this easy.
With manual focus, it's a lot tougher, but if you get it right, it looks incredible. So the final B-roll composition is especially good with a gimbal, getting the camera close to the ground while following your subject. And we're back in Cape Town, South Africa, and in typical vlog style, I completely forgot to film the ending of this video, so I'm doing so now. That is the 5 easy go-to B-roll compositions that I use when on location during a shoot. So I hope that you have found those interesting and you can take that knowledge into the field yourself and practice those B-roll compositions. It's quite easy, even if you don't have a gimbal, to boost up your frame rate to 60 or 90 or 120 and film those movements, bring it back into your post-processing software and onto your timeline, put it into your 24, 25 or 30 FPS timeline, and it'll be automatically slow motion and should create a really nice smooth B-roll sequence. If you have any other tips or comments on B-roll compositions that you use in your videos, be sure to comment them below. There are so many that I could dive into more detail, but to keep this under 5 minutes, those are the 5 go-to B-roll compositions. So as always, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you like it, and I will see you on the next one.